If you're over 60 and you adjust your hair just to make it look okay before leaving the house, this is for you. It's not your age. It's one subtle hairstyle mistake that quietly adds years, and most women never notice it. Many women over 60 keep the same haircut for decades, thinking it still works. But hair texture, density, and your facial structure change over time. The result? Hair that feels heavy, flat, or harsh, making you look older than you feel. But the good news? A small adjustment can instantly lift your look, soften your face, and make your hair feel younger and more elegant. Before we continue, kindly tap the subscribe button on your screen so you don't miss these age-smart tips. Let's dive in. Point number 1. Here's the truth most women don't realize. Certain hairstyles can silently add years to your appearance. Blunt cuts that fall straight across, stiff boxy styles that have no movement, and hair that sits flat and heavy on the head can make even the most vibrant woman look tired or older than she feels. These styles don't just age your look, they hide your natural softness, draw attention to shadows or sagging, and take away the lift and light your face deserves. The tricky part is, many of us keep wearing them because they feel familiar or normal, and we assume they still work for us. But once you see a modern alternative, one with gentle layers, subtle lift, and natural movement, it's like discovering a secret you wish you'd known years ago. A small shift in cut, the right placement of layers, or adding soft volume in the crown area can instantly refresh your face, enhance your features, and make your hair look younger and more elegant, without drastic changes or daily effort. And the best part? These adjustments are easy for your stylist to do and simple for you to maintain, giving you confidence every day. I'd love to hear from you. What hairstyle have you kept for years, even though it doesn't feel quite right anymore? Comment below and share your story so we can help each other evolve our looks together. Point number 2. So why do some hairstyles make you look older even when you feel young inside? It's all about the way your hair interacts with your face. Harsh, straight lines can draw attention to areas you'd rather soften, like subtle sagging around the jaw or the hollows near the cheeks. Flat hair that lies close to the head can make your face look longer or heavier, and if there's too much bulk in the wrong places, like at the sides or back, it can create a boxy effect that actually widens your face and hides your natural bone structure. On top of that, when hair lacks movement, it loses its ability to catch light and frame your features gracefully, leaving your face looking tired or flat. This isn't about age, it's about understanding how texture, weight, and placement work together to either enhance your features or weigh them down. The good news? Once you know the principles, you can make simple, subtle adjustments that transform your look without a dramatic cut. Even minor tweaks, like adding layers that follow your natural shape, reducing unnecessary bulk, or introducing soft volume in the crown, can restore balance and lift, highlighting your best features and making your hair feel youthful again. I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever noticed a haircut that felt off even though it was supposed to be flattering? Comment below and share your experience. Your insight might help another woman finally feel confident in her hair again. Point number 3. Here's something most women over 60 don't realize. It's not about chopping off inches or chasing the latest trend. The hairstyles that really refresh your look are all about placement and movement. Where the layers fall, how the crown is lifted, and how hair frames your face can completely change the way you look more youthful, softer, and elegant without drastic cuts or expensive treatments. A subtle layer around the face can open up your features, soften shadows, and create natural flow, while a tiny lift at the crown gives dimension and prevents your hair from lying flat. These small, thoughtful adjustments can make your hair feel lighter, look fresher, and even make your face appear more vibrant. Many women never try this because it seems too subtle to matter, but it matters more than length or chasing a trendy style. It's the difference between hair that ages you quietly and hair that highlights your natural beauty. I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried a small tweak that made a big difference in your hair? Comment below and share your experience. Your tip might help another woman see the change she's been looking for. If you're ready to update your look without drastic changes, here are 4 age-smart adjustments that can make a noticeable difference. First, soft layers around the face. Even a subtle layer can bring back softness, highlight your features, and make your hair feel lighter and more natural. Second, focus on gentle movement rather than stiff, flat hair. Hair that flows naturally adds life and lift, instantly refreshing your face and making you feel more vibrant. Third, add a touch of volume at the crown. It's a small change, but it elongates the face and prevents hair from looking flat or weighed down, creating a subtle youthful lift. Finally, choose a length that suits your hair's density. Not every short style works for every woman. Thicker hair may benefit from controlled layers, while finer hair needs a length that gives it shape and body without overwhelming your features. These changes are easy to ask for, simple to maintain, and can transform the way you feel about your hair every day. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these small adjustments with big results? Comment below and share your experience. Your tip could inspire another woman to make the change she's been avoiding. Point number 4. When you visit your stylist, don't just ask for short, ask for softness. Gentle layers and face-framing cuts make a huge difference in how your hair moves and flatters your face. Be honest about what feels comfortable for your daily routine, because the right cut isn't just about looks, it's about ease and confidence every day. Small, thoughtful guidance ensures your hair evolves with you instead of against you. I'd love to hear from you. What's one thing you've asked your stylist for that completely changed how your hair feels? Comment below and share your experience so we can inspire each other. You're not behind. Aging is natural, and outdated styles are optional. With a few simple, smart changes, your hair can feel soft, elegant, and truly reflect who you are. What's one small change you've made or want to make that made a big difference in how your hair feels? Comment below and share your story so we can inspire each other. If this helped you rethink your hairstyle, give it a thumbs up. Comment below, which small change will you try first, and where are you watching from? Share this video with a friend who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more age-smart beauty tips from our ever-smart senior women community. See you in the next video.